Hello everyone, welcome back. So in previous lecture we discussed list and now we are going to discuss tuples. So tuple is same as list, so but there are few differences. The very first difference is like the values in tuples, right? They cannot be changed. What is mean by changed? Like I cannot modify a value, I cannot delete an item or add anything. Okay, and the next difference is like in the syntax. In syntax we use round brackets here. Like in list we used square back brackets, here we use round brackets. But if we know that there is some data that's never going to change, we do not want anyone to make the modifications in our data, so there itself we use tuples. Okay, so how do we initialize it? Like similarly, a is equal to, instead of round brackets we will be using, like square brackets we will be using round brackets. We write 2 6 4. Okay, then hello, right? And you can add boolean as well, false. That's it, right? And I can similarly print it, this one as well, print a. Okay, it will print the values, but I cannot modify here anything or delete anything thing. Let us try. I want to a of 2, I want to modify it to 5. Let's see, and I want to print that, right? I am modifying the value which is present at this. Instead of 4 I am trying to insert 5 over here, right? So let's see the error is like it doesn't support assignment. Okay, what if I want to delete something? Delete a of first value, like this value I want to delete. Okay, save it and clear it and run it. See, it's saying that it doesn't support deletion, so we cannot add anything, modify anything or delete anything. We just can, initialize a tuple. Okay, and we can print the values whenever we want to use it for further assignment. So there itself we use the tuples, and syntax wise we use the round brackets. I think that's it. We do not need much for tuples. So yeah, thank you.